I'm here at the airport this morning finishing up my wing root covers for my Zenith cruiser. And I just want to show you what I have here as the first iteration, possibly the final iteration. So I took a piece of 12-inch by 16-inch ABS black 1 mil thick plastic, and I also have some of this edging here that you can put on it. And what I did was it very easily forms around here, and it covers over this hole that's up here. I taped it on up here. I taped it on back here, and then I used a heat gun on it and warmed it just enough so that it would form into that shape. Took it off, cleaned it up, drilled the holes both here and used black sheet metal screws, put the edging on, and just for protection, I don't know if it would be needed, but I threw it on there anyhow. I think it makes it look a little cleaner. And now I have a cover over that ugly wing root bolt and hole, hopefully to just make the whole thing look a little bit nicer.